Okay, let's continue with our plumbing waste on the second level, going down to the first level. Okay, so I'm gonna look at this urinal. Looks like the water closet is connected, so I'm gonna look at this section view and see if I can connect into. Let's see, make sure that these are. My urinals are locked in place. Okay. And all of the other fixtures are locked. Locked our pin. Okay. Okay. Okay, I need to lock this guy. Let's look at this one and lock also. Okay, now let's do some work. Let's look at these other fixtures, make sure they're all locked. I don't know if that's, do these one by one. This one, that one, this one. Let's move this out of the way, or maybe I can get through with a tab. Yeah, that one. Okay, so all of my lavatories are locked. So let's go back to the section view. Okay, so I'm gonna pipe my urinal up here, and I'm not gonna show, this is cold water, but I usually don't show that when I'm doing my I usually don't worry about any of the piping. What am I doing here? Any of the piping in the plumbing chase, because the contractors can figure all that out. In other words, all the piping that goes on in here, the waste, hot water, if there's a lavatory in here, if it was cold, hot water and cold water, waste and vent, I don't worry about them bumping into each other if you put it on Navisworks or any kind of clashing program, because you can't, there's just too much. There's not enough time in the day to figure all that stuff out. Okay, so you just, because it's just a graphic tool, you use it as a graphic tool. You know, some things you can, and let the contractors figure out the rest of it. So in that case, that's why I turn off the cold water, because it's possible that the cold water and the hot water and the vent in the plumbing chase is going to clash, and we don't have the tools in Revit to not make all of them clash, but the contractor does. So that's why I don't worry about it. So let's go here and make sure that we have our pipe type and our system types. Okay. I'm going to change this to sanitary PVC, and my system type is sanitary. So let's come here, and I don't slope in my plumbing chases, because it just doesn't, it's not. Let the contractor figure all that out. Okay, so that's the most I'm gonna do is put a P-trap on, and I usually take it up as high as I can go for this particular urinal family. Okay, there are other urinal families that probably has a trap inside of its housing somewhere in here, but this one doesn't. So looking at this, I know with this, based on ADA compliance, this urinal ADA compliance, where it's 17 inches, the lip is 17 inches above the floor, right? It's ADA compliance. So I can see that there's no way I can connect. So what I'm going to have to do is connect into my other urinal. Let's go back up, and what I could, no, I can't do that. I was going to copy it, but the cold water is connected. I could disconnect, but I'm just being lazy right now. I'm going to go here, and go here, so I can connect, and reverse engineer so I can bring this back as far as I can. So this is probably going to be a clean out. So just for the heck of it, I'm going to put a clean out here. Just put a little dab there, or a little spool piece. And put that there. Let's go back to my section level, and let's do this for the second urinal. And I'm going to go here, put in my chase, my plumbing, P-trap. Okay, and I think I can come up. Let's go out a little bit. Let's go back this way some. And let's see if I can line these guys up. Let's do an alignment with this. Okay, alignment. This guy and this guy. Okay. So we go back to the second level, and I can extend this out to that. Okay. And now, what I'm going to need to do is go back a little bit as far as I can. Is that a 2-inch? Yes, those are 2 inches. So I'll leave it at 2 inch. Go back. I just want to make the connection. And I think I can make it here. Let's go here and then make a 45 because this is higher. The 2-inch pipe is higher than the 4-inch pipe. Okay, this is the 2-inch and that's the 4-inch. So we're going to go from here all the way down. Okay, so let's go back, and from here let's do a 45. I'll do a 45 and connect. Okay, let's go back. See if I go back a little bit. Yeah, because I'm gonna need room. So 1, 2, 3, looks like everything is connected. Okay, so let's go to the 3D view and turn off the cold water, everything but the sanitary. Let's turn that off. Okay, now I can see what I'm doing. Here. So this fitting needs to be a Y combination. Vertical to horizontal is always a Y combination. Okay, so that's that guy. Let's change. Let's go back into the preferences here, and let's make this junction a I think, yeah, here we go. Okay. Okay. So let's do this. Do I have enough room? Let's do this one first. So I want to make sure I have enough room. That's why I don't like to do the fittings until the last. Okay, let's try this one out. Let's extend this pipe. Okay, that didn't work. Let's go to the section view. Let's go to second level and let's get another view. Let's just make sure this is fitting right because something happened. I don't know what happened, but I'm not getting it to line up. Let's go back. Maybe I can reset it. Let's see if I can do it from here. Let's go back here. Erase. And let's see. I'm gonna try this again. Nope, I'm not getting anything. Okay. I was trying to get my construction line, that dash line, some kind of phantom line, and I'm not seeing it. So in order to see that, I'm going to break it or split it. Okay, I'm gonna split it. Let's split it back here somewhere. Okay, I'm gonna break it here. Let's see if Revit gives us anything. I want to see some kind of construction line, phantom line. See these blue lines that come up on the screen? You see them? See those dash lines? That's what I'm looking for. It's kind of an alignment line, or however. There it is. Okay. Now let's see if we can make our connection. I'm gonna fill this. I don't know, connect these two again using the fillet. Okay. Let's do that, and let's keep our fingers crossed here. Nope. That's not good. I didn't like that at all. Let's go back. Let's see. Let's rotate 90 degrees. Gonna click here, rotate 90. Now let's look at this guy again. This is not good. Section. Okay, so we are here. Let's drag it and see what happens. Man, why is it going back like that? I don't like that at all. That's just not good. It's not good. It's not good. It's not good. It's not good. So I need to delete this. Let's do some housekeeping. Yeah, I think that what's I need to do, I don't want to take all of this off. Okay, let's do this. From here, here. This is just a little editing. Okay, because I'm going to redo this pipe. Is it sloped? No, it's not. It's not sloped. Let's do this. Here. Just going to draw this pipe again. 4-inch. Let's go here. And let's go back up here. I know that's a floor, so I need to go down, right? Let's see, select. Because this X is here, for the linked, I cannot select. Okay, so I need to uncheck. Select so that it goes off. Now I can select, and I want to make sure that that is a floor. That's the architect's ref, floor, 3-inch concrete metal deck. Wow, okay. Now let's go back here. Now hopefully we can connect. Let's do this. Second. I'm gonna do this. And okay, that works. And that looks like it's going in the opposite direction, but I think because I drew it in the opposite direction. That's, man, okay. And let's do this. I'm going to okay. Let's see what happens. Just before I change that, I'm going to see what happens here. Oh, that's not bad. Okay, that went in the opposite direction, which was good. And let's go here. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Here, here. I like it, I like it, I like it. Next, here, here. Come on. Yeah, okay. So all of those, and one more. Okay. Let's go back to section view. Maybe the section view will be better. Can I move it back? I'm gonna go here. And then drag. Anything? Yeah, okay. So now, overview. Let's take a look. Let's do this first. And get my Y combos in here. Man, that's tight, 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 tight. I know this one's gonna be tight. It's gonna take up more room than I want. I hope not. All right, went the other way. I like it, I like it. Let's zoom out. Okay, this one and tab or control so that I can get both of these guys and put a Y combo on both of those. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Yeah, okay. And let's go to the second level. Put a cap on. And let's make sure that what we're looking at, all the fixture units are being counted. I like it. And I have to do the floor drain next, huh? Fixture units. Yeah, okay, good, 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 good. So that was a little bit of an exercise on just a little, things won't always go the way you plan. So it looks like I'm gonna have to make some adjustments. That's a 3-inch going into a 2-inch. So I need to make those connections. I might be able to get this floor drain. Let's move it. Might be able to get the floor drain into here. So if I put it, see about right here, it may fit here. It's a 3-inch. And there's another 3-inch that could probably fit in there. So, okay. Okay, so for the, I can scoot this down a little bit. And use my shift arrow keys will make that go down, and now I'm just using the arrow key. Shift arrow makes it go a little faster. And just the arrow key moving it down, it's just smaller increments. Okay. So the next time is going to be I have to do the drains and these 7 water closets and the vent and the this and that and that and that. So I hope that helped, guys, and I will talk to you guys later.